I picked up an electric mini bike that can wheelie itself from the One Wheel company shortly after the product's launch, and I've really been digging that machine. However, they have a pretty savage accessory ecosystem. Savage meaning a lot of bits and bobs that should be included with the bike, such as fenders, a kickstand, and a charge port cover to keep water, dust, and debris out of your charge port, are all separate purchases. One accessory that really stood out to me and slapped my jaw around was a $45 cup holder, which granted does integrate with the frame very sleek like, but it's $45 for a little piece of plastic. For a couple weeks I had this snap-on, screw-on, no need to screw yourself generic cup holder that was about $7 on Amazon, and it worked to hold my beverages, although it does look kinda goofy snapped to the bars like that. So I ponied up the dough, $45 plus tax and shipping, so around 50 bucks for a cup holder, to get the license authorized Future Motion / One Wheel cup holder, which does look like it was designed specifically for the bike and was very easy to install, but it is a glaring example between my legs when I ride of how Future Motion just doesn't F around when it comes to their accessories. Drop in the comment section below what you think of this $45 cup holder. If it wasn't for content, making a video on it, I don't know if I would have ponied up the dough for this product, but we'll get a little conversation going in the comment section below. Subscribe for more Antic mini bike content, as I'm getting pretty nasty with the wheelies, and I'll see you tomorrow.